currently 6:30 a.m. Sophia has a doctor's appointment at 9, so we really got to get the ball rolling here, because really we need to leave out of here at 8:30. Honestly, before then, I like to get there early so I can sit there for a second, and maybe we'll go to Starbucks and get like a little sandwich or something. But yeah, we're gonna film all pictures because I've been slacking. But yeah, I don't know what happened, but last night we all were just like tired as crap, and I was trying to put Sophia to sleep and then come back and clean the apartment, but I put her to sleep. Like, she was falling asleep, like taking forever, like she was nursing or whatever. So we had her laid across the bed. Well, I left my phone in here, or I fell asleep, and then Dylan was eating and he was like, is she asleep so I can walk in the room, because he normally kind of wakes her up whenever he walks in there. And he was in here eating, and I didn't even text him back because we were asleep, which is like 11. I wake up and it's like 2 a.m. and all of us fell asleep in the bed with all our clothes on, except for Sophie because she just got a bath. But I'm like, this never happens. Like, I'm that person that has to have a clean house, shower, like I have to be like good before I go to sleep. But we were so tired because yesterday morning, Sophia stayed awake until 7 a.m. and that was a disaster. So I think that just kind of caught up with me, because I don't think I only slept till 11. So I was running off of like 4 hours of sleep, probably less than that, but I fell asleep for an hour that afternoon, yesterday's afternoon. So I can't stop yawning. Oh my gosh. So the kitchen is a little disaster. Everything is like, I started cleaning up the kitchen and then she started freaking. I started cleaning up the kitchen. She started freaking out. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is so embarrassing. It never happens. But we're gonna clean this in a little bit, depending on how close I can get to finishing getting myself ready and then getting her ready. I picked out her clothes and my clothes last night, kind of, but I haven't worn some of these since pre-pregnancy, so we're gonna see how they fit. But yeah, let's go get started. I think if I need these or my gold. These, I got these from Amazon. They're like, can you see the flurry? So pretty. Those are super gorgeous, but I think they're doing a little bit too much for Sophia's doctor's appointment. So I'm just gonna pop on my Ardell's. Any of this, I couldn't link it if I tried, but Old Navy, don't know. Old Navy pants. Don't know where these boots are from. My mom got them for me. Oh, really need a full-length mirror, but yeah. So now we got to get Sophia ready. Get something on my lips and perfume before I forget about that. So I've been like waiting to put on this Versace perfume, and now I can. The main reason I hate that she woke up so early is because it can be a pain getting her dressed sometimes, because she's like, nope, but I gotta do it. So I got about 40 minutes before we have to be out of here, and it's gonna take me about 30 of those to change this little girl's clothes, okay? Say hi. Tell them hey. Tell them hey.
Alright, so y'all call me later.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Come here. So we are at the doctor's office. I stopped and got us some food.
put this down here. Ain't got time for you to be wasting nothing on your clothes because mama did not bring a backup, which is not a good idea, but I didn't. So, appointment, got it? Our appointment is at 9, it's 8:30, so we have really good timing. I was on the phone with my mom. Here. Y'all want it? Bye. Oh my gosh. You gonna eat it? Eat it. No, bite. Bite. She decided she was gonna take it after me offering it 100 times. So yeah, so we're gonna go up there in about 5 minutes. To get there 15 minutes early. Don't eat mama keys, that's nasty. That's nasty. Some more snacks, huh? But you don't like anything. You wanna try goldfish? Yeah, I see it. I see it. Shake it, girl. Shake it, girl. Here you go. Ow! She bit my finger. You want some? It actually feels really good. It's like 52 degrees, but it's gonna be like 70 degrees later. Hey guys, so it is literally, I don't even know. We didn't even start the vlog from us going to Alabama, did we? So today is March 11th. We left for Alabama on, no, we went to Mississippi first for one night and then went to Alabama on the 4th. And it is now a week later. A week later. And we had a great time in Alabama. We got a chance to see the house. It's come along really nicely. We'll probably insert some clips of that. But on the way back, we got caught in a winter storm. We didn't think it was gonna be that bad because it literally said like 60% chance of snow, whatever. And we're like, oh, it might like just drizzle a little bit. Mostly how it does in Mississippi. Well, we're in Olive Branch, Mississippi, which it never snows like that. The last time it snowed, I was what? I think I was a freshman in college the last time it really snowed in Mississippi. We could not see anything. We're on the highway and it just started coming down and I was like, oh, I don't know about this, and then it just started coming harder. So we ended up getting off. We put the GPS in for a hotel and we're calling them. Some of them weren't answering. One of them did. They didn't have any rooms available. And it just started to get just bad to the point where we just could not see. We ended up going through a back road and driving on the wrong side of the road.
Couldn't see 5 people in front of us.
No, it was terrible. I was looking off the side to make sure Dylan didn't go off, and we ended up being on the whole entire wrong side of the road, and it was bad, y'all. but God's grace has carried us through, and I don't know, we're not even upset or just, you know, we're just thankful that we're able to, I guess, be in a position where we could afford to just stop at a hotel, because many people probably couldn't do that, and that was a blessing. And then here we got the second to the last room available because so many other people were trying to get in. Do you have anything to say?
I'm glad Sophie is okay.
She's a silly Billy. Are you a silly Billy? Hey! What you doing? Hey! But yeah. It's just, oh. Zooming back out.
I've got no stress, feeling blessed.
Yeah.
Well, I was feeling stressed, but I am blessed.
Yeah. I should not have showed her that opened. Look at her face. She's never gonna forget that. But yeah, we're gonna watch 90 Day Fiance. We'll probably do a hotel room tour later. But right now, we're just gonna chill. Yeah, chill. 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 I chill.
Here. Focus, focus. If you can't tell, this is my first time. Okay, hey guys. What's up? What had happened was, where we left off, Faces said that we got snowed in.
You holding it angled, baby.
Where we had left off was, Faces said that we got snowed in, and we did. And now the sun come out, all the snow's melted. And we think the roads are good enough for us to make a drive to go back.
It hasn't snowed in Oklahoma, which is the crazy part.
Yeah, that's the crazy part. We were looking at I was looking at the weather app, and it was saying like a light dusting. That was bull crap, because it looked like Santa's winter wonderland out there. I'm like, we couldn't see 2 feet in front of us. I was sitting up on the steering wheel looking like over the hood of the car, like, okay, where's the reflector? You know, the reflector that's in the middle of the road. And then when the snow got so bad I couldn't see it, I would just put the tire over the reflector and feel the ba-dum. I'm like, okay, I know I'm in the road. Like, good grief, that was...
You're driving on the wrong side of the road.
I was driving on the wrong side of the road when we got into town.
It was a multiple lane and we didn't know that.
It was multiple lanes in a town that we ain't never been in. Yeah, great.
And all the trucks started driving past us on the right side, and we're like, oh,
We're like,
he's been here, he lives here.
yeah, like, why don't I get over then, I guess. But
He
yeah,
was driving fast too, like he just knew where he was going.
truck life. Hashtag truck life. Is that a hashtag?
Might be.
Let's get that trending, guys. You know what to do. Hashtag truck life. Yep.
I can see so many people like cringing when you say that. Are you done?
This is real. This is emotion. This is raw.
This is raw.
Yes.
I was thinking, what if you did a Dylan's Day in your life and you like took that around with you to work?
Well, that would be illegal.
Yeah, it would be. But I mean, you can't show it and you were just like, oh, I'm going to my morning meeting. Like, that's it.
But I don't work in the morning no more. Yeah. It was just me sitting at a desk going, send.
Well, you will. You will when we go to,
Birmingham?
yeah.
Going to Birmingham. And we're so excited. I'm more excited than Faisa.
Are you? We never brought I didn't bring the vlog camera to the house.
Well, they'll have plenty of chances to see it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We're definitely gonna film a video about the process, buying a house, our experience.
Dude, there are so many emails. We'll catch back up with you later. Hopefully, we'll be in Oklahoma.
We're about to pack.
We'll be in Oklahoma. Yeah.
So, we are about to speed clean. Yay! Speed pack, I mean.
Speed pack. Speed pack, go. Hashtag speed pack. Can that get trending too?
Get trendy.
Yeah, hashtag speed pack.
I could see everybody like, what?
Vlog, you know what to do. Hashtag speed pack. Make it happen.
Make it packing. Let's pack.
Alright, I'm done.
Actually, my pants aren't even on.
Why are you using the camera when we have a full-length mirror? Is there another drink in there? Daddy thirsty.
There's some water. Don't drink my Gatorade.
Well, hang the water.
It's over there. It's open on the floor.
Baby, it's right by your right foot. Those are my socks. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Noodle. Use your noodle. It's the noodle dance. Noodle. Use your noodle. That's over there on the camera.
I was gonna say something else.
She don't widow to see you. You so pretty. You so pretty. You are.